Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matthew. In case you don't know who I am, I would like to welcome you to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading and futures. If you're interested in that type of thing, go ahead and subscribe down below and like this video. And so today is day 4 of our Gauntlet Trading Challenge. Red day, very sucky. This could be potentially a whole red week. No big deal. We're going to keep fighting forward. So today's trades, yesterday was really like a what the F type of trading day. Today we felt very good about our trades. The market there was bigger fish in the sea who were wanting a different outcome than we wanted, right? So felt very strong about our setups and about what we wanted to see out of them. It just didn't work out, and that's just part of trading, right? Um, as long as you are feeling comfortable with your setups and what you are wanting to see happen, and you have your stops in place and you're willing to lose X amount of money, there's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes it just doesn't go your way, right? As opposed to just like market smashing in and market smashing out just because you're trying to like revenge trade or do anything like that. Today was not that type of day, so we're going to go and give ourselves a pat on the back for that one and keep moving forward. So to recap our trades, first off, yesterday was FOMC. We ended up closing both our Nasdaq and S&P swings at break even. The market then tanked after that, so that was a good call. Next, the open for the Nasdaq really ripped, right? So we opened basically at 70, I believe, and then we have since then shot up 100 points in the past hour and a half. We took a short trade here, got stopped out here. We saw some good order flow for a short-term pullback, especially after we had just ripped 50 points. That seemed like a good fade position for us. Obviously, looking back, that's counter trend, but in the opening moments of the first 5 or 6 minutes, things are very choppy and you'll typically get a nice pullback. We were targeting 901, so right in here. So we wanted to go short. We went short at 917. We were targeting 901. We got stopped out at 921. Proceeded to sit out on this very nice looking channel, actually, moving all the way up. And our initial game plan for the morning was to short 57, which is R1 here, as well as our long-term time bands that basically has it peaked at like a short-term resistance at 71. We went short here, as you can see, and we immediately got a ton of volume that just pushed us up into our stop at 65, and it's just been going up since then. So overall, a very strong day on the Nasdaq. We were trying to kind of fade that strength, and it just never really happened. It's finding that balance between going counter trend and reversion to the mean that we're trying to figure out. We are both, me and my partner, while we're separated, are both very successful traders. And when together, it's just learning how we want to use our strategies, combine our strategies, and we're kind of in that process right now, figuring it all out, whereas maybe we should have done it on like a true sim account. Instead, we're showing it to the world. So that's kind of what's going through our brains right now, is just trying to figure out like, what do we want to take from my strategy? What do we want to take from his strategy? How do we want to combine those together and really make it work? For instance, like he is a big time momentum trader on the open, but yesterday we tried to trade some momentum that didn't end up working well on crude oil. So today we were like, okay, like no momentum trades. Well, he would have gone long at 81 using his momentum strategy, and like we would be like very well in profit, obviously. So it's kind of trying to find those little pieces and plugging them all together to figure out how we're going to make this work moving forward in the long run. So that's a quick overview on today. This is the least depressing red day of this week, which is a good note because I feel like we really are moving in the right direction, especially with the trades today. 2 trades and we're done, no big deal. You got to know when to walk away and when to keep going. And today is a day where we walk away, and we're okay with that. So all that to say, this is again the Earn to Trade Trading Gauntlet, where you trade a $25,000 funded account. If you're interested in that, the link is down below in the first link down below. you're welcome to join in on this process of getting a funded account with us where you can swing positions, hold through earnings, or hold through news, and you don't have to close out every day like in Top Step. So it's kind of a couple of the benefits, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Go ahead and like and subscribe down below, and I will see you later. Peace.